Okay. Now, as I had started, I had mentioned about there are banks, there are NBFCs, but there is one more important institution among these two, along with them, which are called credit bureaus. We will understand how each one of them function. Okay. So now, credit bureaus will be very easy to understand. First, we will look into that. What is very famous? CIBIL. We all have our CIBIL score, right? And then what does bank have? Does bank also have CIBIL score? No. But bank has its own scoring system, which you can call as internal scoring system. At times they use, other times they don't use. What are NBFCs? Let us consider Paytm or Cred, right? These are the NBFCs. There are several others. How do they pay money? They are not banks, but they have tie-ups with bank. And due to these tie-ups, they are getting to see this CIBIL score. And as a result, they are also giving us the loan. So NBFCs actually get to see the credit bureau CIBIL score, or CRIF, other one which we have, CRIF. Then there is Epsilon. Then there is Experian. All of these are various credit bureaus, but largely which is used is CIBIL. CIBIL is by TransUnion. And the same company has another scoring system in USA, which is called FICO score. Exactly like CIBIL. Okay. How do they do this scoring system? That's exactly what in the project we are going to see. How do they come up with this CIBIL score? Considering all these default factors that are there, if I'm going to default, if you are going to default, if you have made any late payment, all of these factors, the behaviors are taken into consideration, and then we create this CIBIL score. It is not like suddenly it has got created. Like a lot of things are considered. Okay. There is one more player in NBFCs that come into play. You must have heard about, say today you have gone to Reliance and you want to buy an iPhone. They will tell you immediately, like, we have consumer loan facility. So these kind of facilities are also been given to Reliance Trend, Reliance Digital, and other digital platform like Chroma, Reliance Digital. They have these kind of people sitting over there whose job is like to give these small loans of say 1 lakh rupees max. And they will look, at that time, they will also see your CIBIL score. That's the job of them, to check your CIBIL score sitting over there. And they have, again, tie-ups with banks. So one bank is responsible over here that your money gets deducted every month. What else? You have heard about courses getting sold, say for some IIT is selling a degree course for, say, 5 lakh rupees. Not education loan, okay? Or 3 lakh rupees. These are not education loan. You want to take any course. I had taken one product management course of 1.5 lakh rupees. At that time, they have these kind of NBFCs with which they have tie-ups, these course companies. And they will also do the same. The NBFC is again going ahead and asking from the banks or the credit bureaus, what is your CIBIL score? Based on it, they are providing you EMIs. So this is the whole scenario, how each vertical, each of these organization is working.